Oh, hi there. Today, we've got something very special for you. We are driving from Arbery to Salisbury to see this. But the most exciting part, we are going to camp right next to it. And at night, we even see some gypsies.
If you're just joining us, I'm Lucy and this is Mark. In 2018, we left Korea and now we have explored over 50 countries in our tiny home on wheels, TV. Guys, first thing we need to do is fill up the TV's belly. Oh my god. It is the first time to fill up the gas in UK. Oh my god, it's quite expensive here. 1.51 pounds. Yeah, yikes. It just give you kind of shrunk feeling. I don't know what to do. But anyways, we didn't fill up all the way, only 30 liter. And hopefully we can find a better price of the gas. Here, the funny thing is the diesel is way more. Diesel is more.
£1.54.
1.54.
Super expensive.
Yeah, just hurting my belly right now. So yeah, let's take care of it. We didn't fill up. We only fill up the 30 pounds. Not 30 liter, not 30 pounds, 30 liter.
Wish 30 pounds.
Yeah, I wish, but yeah. Hopefully we can find a better price gas station later. Oh, cross the finger! Today we are gonna go to Stonehenge. Awesome.
Oh, tank!
어디? 어? 진짜 탱크네?
Oh, so cool.
Oh, it's a military? Yeah. Oh my god. I just I don't know. It's a proper way to film it. I just put my camera down because it will,
No, we're in the UK, baby. Did you see me reach up and start recording right away?
At least this one got it because this one is so noticeable. I guess I still have a habit from the Africa. Today we are gonna go to Stonehenge. Yay! I think all the kids grow up with a Stonehenge picture, but today we are gonna go to there and then find a place to do camp. I hope that we can find a spot, right? Oh my god.
Beautiful.
뒤에 우리 자전거 애들 오는 거 알지?
Are they?
조심해야 돼. Somehow we found the spot that we need to get.
Oh, Stonehenge, right ahead of us.
어디? 맞네? Guys, we are in Stonehenge, but the road is really, really bad. I cannot believe how bad it is. So yeah, we are trying to find a way, but look at this. This is what is happening. I mean, several days in UK they were raining, but oh my god, what we are gonna do? It's quite muddy on that side. 저 아줌마 아일리시 그건 것 같은데? Traveler? Yeah, the chickens 집시인 것 같아. 아, 쟤네들 자전거 타는 저기 사는 애들이구나. 스톤헨지는 저긴데 우리 어디에 됐지?
I can't remember. I feel like we're way closer to Stonehenge.
그런가?
Okay, I think we found this red van. Perfect.
Let's see. Wow. Do you want me to go out and check?
That's good.
Okay.
Let me just double check.
Alright.
What's that? Another tent's coming in here or a car? Another van? What's going on?
All us boys that live here, all us, we all in a part of the same travelling clan.
Yeah.
We all part this side. Normally you tourists go up the other side, like.
Okay.
You're more than welcome. Just saying there'll be a couple of pull in. We got fire pits, guitars and that. You're more than welcome to join us. But don't know whether it's your scene, my brother.
Right. Understand. Yeah.
But yeah, no fucking worries. My name's Matt, by the way.
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you,
and you are? Nice to meet you. Yeah, you're more than welcome. Just don't know if it's your scene.
Yeah, no, I think it might be.
If you want a quiet getaway, we're going to be having fires and guitars and all that bollocks.
Okay, okay, understood.
If you want to join that,
yeah. I'm just gonna see how angled it is.
It's quite bad. Guys, we set our TV. We moved to other places because like the guy was putting on the tent. He told us that they're gonna do the jamming, like the music night. So he's worried that we are gonna be bothered to loud music. But it wasn't the problem because that area angle is so huge. We were like tilted like this. So we found a little bit better area, but still it is tilted. So we put the leveling block and then we put the solar. I try not to go make the shade on my solar because guys, in the UK it's rare to see sun in the summer, but somehow everyone told us that like this summer is quite crazy, summer is gone. But anyways, today is like a really nice weather. It's quite cloudy, but having a sun, no rain is really nice. So we are parking right here. Through our little window, we can see Stonehenge over there. If you guys can see little dots around the Stonehenge, there are people, tourists. So we want to go there when there's not many people, tourists, and so that we can find a place to take a picture there. And we are not gonna go inside of the Stonehenge because it's quite expensive per person. I think you pay like £30 or something like that. So we are two. When you do it, it's quite a lot of money. So we know last time we came here during the COVID, and we got a tip that you walk a little bit side, you can still see, but you're not gonna be right next to the stone. But it's just you see in the textbook. This is better than like that thing is. So we are gonna use same route, same walking path, and then see it, but not right now.
Did you grab our beers? Cheers.
Cheers. 깨웠는데 계속 안 일어나더라고 언니야.
I woke up and so what's for dinner tonight?
오늘은 갈매기살에다가 버섯 그리고 깻잎.
깻잎도 있네. 깻잎.
좀 깨세요. 그래?
Good.
어딜 지금 찍고 있는 거야? 엄청 맛있네. Are you ready to go?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. It's a golden hour. It's a golden hour. It's really pretty. And we just checked in Stonehenge over there. Most of the people are gone. Only one tourist bus is there. So we are gonna go there and then see Stonehenge. honey, 어떻게 가는지 알아?
Should we take the shortcut? Careful the poop.
똥맛이다. 똥맛이야.
Wow.
이거 숏컷이라며.
It's like a minefield.
진짜 우리 나가는 길 있나? 모르겠어.
I think we have to go this way.
그래? 여기도 못 가는 것 같은데? Sorry.
Alright. No problemo. We made it.
진짜. Yeah. We finally made to this hiking trail.
Oh, there's a gate right there.
I will blame everything to Mark. So we went all the way and come here, and we are not gonna go to the inside of the entrance because there is right next to it. This is the when you pay you can go in. This is a hiking trail. You can walk along it. So yeah, we cannot access that the inside or something, but still we can see Stonehenge. So we are gonna do it. And actually, I think I mentioned it before, the entrance fee is quite expensive because especially two of us. So we're just gonna look outside. Last time we did it and I loved it. It's really nice. Guys, we are in front of Stonehenge. Right there we have a fence. So we're in the hiking trail, but it's nice because like the last tour groups there, not many people as the afternoon, so you can see pretty much without the long line of the people, and you can see the sun is setting. This is my enough every time. It's 3 years ago we came here and then we just stopped here during the sunset. It was really nice, just stunning time, you know. You can see everything with the sun and then not many people. Guys, we see the Stonehenge. It's pretty cold. It's second time to come and it's getting cold. The sun is setting. I didn't wear the socks. Someone wore the sock wearing socks. Didn't tell me how cold it would be. But anyways, we're gonna head down to the TV. And then we are gonna look Stonehenge from our car too. Alright, let's go. I'm cold.
Should we take a shortcut?
너무 추워서 손이 이렇게 어딘다.
Right, that's the way. I just wanted to film you going that way. No. Bye bye, Lucy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, TV crew. Finally, Mark is awake. Yay! So, what is that? The menu today?
Just whatever we have left over.
So, should we check the outside? The Stonehenge. Oh yeah, there are a lot of people. Wow.
Good.
최고.
The gypsies that are around us, they're pretty nice people, I think.
그런 사람들 다 착해. 원래 그냥.
Everyone said to be careful.
누가? 여기 코멘트에?
No, all the people that we've met.
괜찮았어. 사람들 다 착했어. 여러분 여기에는 밴라이퍼, 어떤 게 밴라이퍼라고 할 수 있고 집시라고 할 수 있는 분들 장기적으로 여기서 지내고 계세요. 밤에 막 음악 소리가 들리거든요. 어제 나가보니까 그 LED 그 뭐지? 나비 모양 이렇게 막 하고 they're living happy life. You know, like they just only have the little car, a big car, but not that much inside, and they don't own that much. They're in kind of limited area that there's no water, no garbage can, but they respect these areas and
They're like us.
Guys, we're leaving Stonehenge today. Oh my god. I think we got here pretty good time. Look at that tour bus, like crazy. There are so many people. Last 2 days, like there were a lot of people, but not like this. But man, a lot of people. Wow, because of good weather, I guess. Anyways, we are gonna leave and then go to other places. First thing, we gotta pick up the SIM card. Guys, here's they call it lorry, right? Which is hard for me to pronounce it because it has an L and R, which Korean cannot say well. So because of the lorry is hitting the wood, so they make the square shape. It looks like in a box, right? 여기 되면 되겠다. Awesome! Guys, we are gonna stop by Vodafone. We got the parking spot. You know how hard it is.
Allow time for coins to drop, register, press green button for ticket. Okay, we're 1 hour.
Yeah, it's done.
SIM card done.
Awesome! We have unlimited! video watching time.
Alright, let's check out this town. You like the little shops, huh?
Always right.
Sell vinyl here, huh?
CD를 아직까지 못 봤나?
We probably have one of the few CD players left in.
in the car, right?
Do they have this kind of stuff in Korea? I think they do these days, huh?
벌들이 와 있어. 폰인가 봐.
Yeah.
폰이라서 그렇네.
You know, you see these kind of windows all over here? I like these kind of windows.
What is this one?
Oh.
Dry aging인데?
Dry age, yeah. Bee's knees. What does bee's knees mean?
몰라? 벌 무릎? 근데? 저거 봐, 저거 누가 벤트 안 껐잖아. 누구 탓이야 저거? 네 탓이지.
That's your job.
Your job.
100% your
That
job.
is your job. 내 거랑 똑같이 생겼네. 똑같은 가방이야.
Exactly the same.
Yeah, right.
Exactly from the same factory in China. Oh look, you can get a mini one.
You're gonna buy it for me?
Nope. Someone needed a cover for the post office box. What a cool person, huh? Can you actually go inside it, or is it just
Yeah,
like for looks?
I think. 나 이건 예전에 와봤어.
Yeah, because it's a hot day. We're in the middle of a heat wave right now. It's like been like 23, 24 degrees. We gotta take care of this guy here, huh?
문을 닫거라. 벤츠를 닫거라. 들어오시게나. 사람들은 이제 막 차 대고 찾는 것 같아. 우리는 딱 잘 보고 간다. 남들 안 볼 때 딱 보고 탁 나가는 거지. 이제 그러면 이거 신카드는 해결했고 두 번째는 그거 해야 돼. 캠핑장으로 갈 겁니다. 캠핑장 아니고 캠핑할 곳으로 갈 거예요. 바이바이.
Bye bye. This is a church or a castle?
Church.
Church.
See, over the right.
Keep left.
Keep left. Goodbye.
A special thank you to our Patreon and YouTube members. These videos are possible because of your huge support.
Is it safe to go in?
Yeah, get in.
If you want to help, there are links to our Patreon and YouTube membership below.
Smile.